Hey guys, we have another cooking day today with Leilani. What are we gonna make today, Leilani?
Cake for my birthday.
Not for your birthday, for America's birthday. We're gonna make a 4th of July patriotic theme cake. It's really easy and super fun to do, and I know Leilani's gonna love it. I know July 4th is coming up, so we wanted to show you this really easy way to celebrate while we've all been home. So you're gonna need just a regular cake mix, or you could use by scratch if you like. A 12 by 9-inch pan, so like a rectangle shape. And then for my frosting, I'm doing a Cool Whip pudding frosting. So you just need a canister of Cool Whip and 1 box of vanilla pudding mix and then a cup of milk. And then to decorate on top, I'm using blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Okay, so first we're just gonna make the cake according to what it says on the cake mix box. So Leilani, how many eggs do we need?
1, 2, 3.
3 eggs. So we'll put 3 eggs in our container. Can you hand them to mommy? Good, thank you. 1, hold on.
1 half.
1 egg.
1 egg.
Mm-hmm.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Now 2 eggs. Hatch, hatch. Hatch egg.
2 eggs. 3rd egg. Last egg. I'll let mommy hatch it.
I think they're hatching on their own.
Yeah. And then according to the cake box, we need half a cup of vegetable oil. And I have a little secret. Instead of all the amount of vegetable oil and water, I actually put a little bit of applesauce, and it ends up making it super moist. So you just, whatever applesauce you have, I just put a dab in.
Applesauce?
Yep, and then that way I'll put a little bit less of the oil. So I need half a cup of oil, so I'm gonna do it a little bit under a half. All right, Lonnie, you can mix that, okay? Be careful, keep mixing it.
Baker, baker, baker.
Baker, baker, baker. So I'm doing it just between a half and a 1/3 of a cup. Pouring that in. And then it's 1 cup of water. Keep stirring, Leilani.
Baker, baker, Daddy.
All right, I'm gonna pour 1 cup, Leilani, okay?
Come on.
All right, stir it all in. Also, set your oven. The oven needs to be set to 350. Leilani, you still stirring? Now we'll put in the mix, okay? Pour this in. Oh, did you get oil everywhere? Here, pour this in. Nice. You like baking cakes? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You like eating cakes?
Yeah.
Let me do it a little bit, and then you do it, and then it's your turn, okay?
Look.
Yeah. No, Lonnie. Are you eating the powder? That's not good. That's not yummy. Oh Lord. There's powder everywhere. All right, here you go. Here, keep stirring, okay? All right, just stir a little bit until it's kind of combined, and then I'm gonna beat it with my hand mixer.
Blackberries, I can eat some.
Okay, you could have a blackberry.
Nice.
For being my helper.
You don't eat blackberries.
Just 1. Okay. We need it for the cake, Ronnie. Here we go. Just blend it up until it's smooth. Break down the sides as this one. Alright.
What are these?
Mommy's gonna show you. Can you finish stirring this for mommy? Alright, good job. Now that it's all mixed nice and smooth, we're gonna put it in our cake pan. I'm gonna spray this with some Pam non-stick spray and then fill it up. You want another blueberry? It's a quick spray so it doesn't stick. Pour in my batter. You want to help mommy pour? Scrape. Use your spatula and scrape down all the edges so that you get all the batter out. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Did you just eat the batter? Don't eat the batter because it has raw eggs.
I'm going to eat one more thing.
Okay. I have some food coloring, and I'm gonna do some blue and red swirls. Don't mix it too much because then you end up getting purple. A few drops of red.
Black.
And then you'll just go in and make some nice S swirls and then go around. And according to the cake pan, you will pop this in the oven for 28 to 33 minutes. Okay, so I think the cake is ready, so I'm gonna take this out. We want to be far away. I can eyeball that and already see that it's ready, but how I will check for sure is you take a clean knife and stick it in the middle, and if it comes out clean, like that, you are good to go. We will let this get cooled down, and then we're gonna show you how to put the frosting and the decoration. Okay, so the cake is done and it's cooled off. It came out of the oven and it looks great. Now I'm gonna make the Cool Whip pudding recipe. I'll link down the recipe below, but it's super simple. Alright, put it in. Good job. You want to open this for me? What is this? You know what this is?
I don't know.
It's pudding. So this is one package of instant vanilla pudding. Okay, you want to stir it?
Yeah.
Fold in the whipped cream.
Look, I just made a mess.
That's okay. Be careful. Stir slowly, okay? Okay, you want to help me stir? Put this in?
Yummy.
Yummy, yeah. Oh, Lonnie. And just gonna fold. Are you helping me mix?
Yep.
You're just eating whipped cream. See, so then you get this nice white fluffy topping. Don't overwork it that much. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Mmm, very good. Okay, so now we're gonna spread this over on the cake. You go like this, okay? Just right on. And spread it out. Nice fluffy layer. Spreads very easily. Okay. Here we go. And then you're gonna make a little square in the top left corner of blueberries. Use raspberries or strawberries to make the stripes. You know, you're not gonna get 50. You're not gonna get 13 stripes and 50 stars, but you know, just the idea of it. Line it up. So good. Can you put the blueberries? Okay, no more. All done. Oh my gosh. Blueberries in here, put them inside, okay? Inside the square.
Oopsie.
It's okay. Just drop them in. Now I'm gonna do the stripes. Blueberries stay together. Good. There we go.
Uh-oh, I put one inside.
That's okay. I'm gonna sprinkle a few more, okay? And there you have it. This is our American flag cake that Leilani helped me make. Okay? You ready to eat now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What does it look like, Leilani? Does it look beautiful? This is called the American flag. Can you say Happy 4th of July?
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. All right, let's cut into this. Okay, we're gonna get some blueberries and some raspberries. Cuts really soft and smooth.
Yum.
Wow, look at that. Okay. Do you want to try some? Here we go. All right, ready? Mmm.
Ooh.
Just eating cream?
Raspberry.
Just raspberries? Okay. Good job baking with me.
Next.
Okay, say bye. See you next time.
Bye. See you next time.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so post cake, Leilani ate all the fruit off the cake. But good thing the cake still tastes good even without the fruit. Happy 4th of July.